My name's Joseph Cihon. I'm a sales assistant for West Roofing. My responsibilities at West Roofing are helping out with job files, helping out with everything kind of in the office, researching anything that guys need, specifics for jobs, whether that be roof hatches, certain types of metal, etc. Pretty much just helping all the salesmen complete sales on the back end in the office. Outside of work, I like to golf, watch TV, play with the animals, the cats and the dogs. Yeah, just about anything sports related. Lowest I've ever shot would be an 86. Special talent, I guess, would be I'm pretty much ambidextrous, so I can do anything with either hand. I have a brother who is recently married. Super excited to be a part of the West Roofing team. I love the family-oriented business that they run, and I'm looking forward to helping with the clients and customers. I know a lot more than I did before I started. A lot more to learn, but looking forward to learning it.